Hello everyone, welcome to ITCS Master. I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to see 17 part of ongoing Excel series. Okay, we have completed 16 part and today is 17. Okay, in previous video we have seen some if and some ifs. Okay, it's the most important formula. If you have not seen yet, please visit and see. So today we are going to discuss count if and count ifs. If you know about some if and some ifs, then you can easily understand what is count if and count ifs. So let's begin today. Okay. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share in others group too. Okay. So first we see count. I hope you know about count. If you don't know about count, so first we see one example of count. Okay, count used for you can see count the number of cells. Okay, so let's see. Here I've typed count. Here you can see count definition: count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, count the number of cells in a range that contain number. Only numbers. Count use only for numbers. Okay, not a string or character. If we want to count string and character, then we will use counter. Okay, we will use counter. We have already covered counter, count blank and count in previous videos. Please see and visit. Okay, visit and see. Sorry. Okay, so here we see count. Suppose I want to count these and enter. So here you can see number of cells is 6. So here you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's 6. It is not useful for small data. It is useful for if you have a lakhs data, 1000 data, then it is very useful. Okay, so now start with count if. Here you can see it is counting all data. Okay, it is counting all data and you can say selected data. Okay, but using count if you can count data. Okay, you can count data on condition base. Okay, on condition base. Similarly, we are using sum if. We are doing sum. Okay, we are doing sum on condition base using sum if. So here today we are seeing count if. Count if we use for counting value on condition base. So let's start. Here I typed count if. I select. Here you can see definition of count if. Count the number of cells. Okay, definition: count the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. Okay, then you can see that meet the given condition. Okay, if our condition meet, then it will count. Okay, so let's begin. Count if. Okay, here count if. It is asking range. You can see range. Suppose I'm taking a range, this range. Okay, I've selected this range, then comma. Again it is asking criteria. What is criteria? What is your condition? Okay, what is your condition? Suppose I want all data which is Hindi. Okay, and so here enter. Here you can see result is 2. You can verify. Here you can see Hindi 1 and 2. So answer is 2. I hope it is clear. Okay, and it is small data. Okay, if you have a large data, then it is very useful. Similarly, we can use, suppose I want to change, suppose I'm taking math. Okay, then enter. Here you can see answer is 2. Here is math 2. Okay, now similarly We have already seen wildcard and some symbols: greater than, less than, not equal, equal, and star. Star means wildcard. Okay, we have already covered these symbols with sum and sum ifs. Okay, sum if and sum if. Okay, if you have not seen, please see. Here I am taking one example again. Here I am taking star. Okay, I am started star, and here I take I and I, then enter. Here you can see answer is 3. If you have seen previous video, so I hope you have clear. Okay, you can see what is 3, how is it. Here you can see star means star. I have taken star in both side, starting side and end side, means pre and post. Okay, prefix and postfix. So that means if we find I, if we find I in given range, in any place, okay, in any place, then that will count all those values. Okay, okay, so here you can see I 1, here 2, here 3. So here is I is 3. Okay, here you can see I is in 3 places. Okay, so answer is 3. I hope it is clear. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now next is, here you can see we are finding data only single condition base. Okay, using single condition. If we want data, okay, if we want data with multiple condition, okay, then we will use count ifs. So let's start. Count ifs. Okay, here you can see definition of count ifs. Counts the number of cells. Okay, counts if definition counts the number of cells specified by a given set of condition or criteria. Given set of conditions. Set of condition means multiple conditions. Okay, so here I am taking count ifs. It is asking criteria range. I am again taking criteria range. Okay, then it is asking, I am taking criteria same as earlier. Here start, okay, double quote and star and I. Okay, and then again star and I. Okay, comma, then it is asking criteria range second. Okay, second, and suppose I am taking this. Okay, total marks. Then it is asking criteria 2 condition, second condition. Suppose I want to take greater than 97. Okay, greater than 97, and close, enter. Here you can see we have 2. Okay, we can see we have two cells with, here we have 2 cells with I, where one character is I, and it is also greater than 97. It is also greater than 97. So we can cross verify. Here you can see I. First we see I. Here you can see I. Okay, okay. Then again I. Okay. Then again I. You can see here the 3 I, but our answer is 2. Okay, because we have taken 2 conditions. First condition, if we go with first condition, then result is 3. Okay, but here we have taken 3 condition. Okay, oh, sorry, 2 condition. First is I, here is 3, and second condition, it also, okay, it should be greater than 97. So here you can see greater than 97 in the first here you can see it is greater than 97, so 1 is correct. Again I, it is greater than 97, it is also correct. Then again I, it is not correct. Okay, you can see it is not correct because it is not greater than, but it is equal. But we have taken condition greater than 97, so it is false. So our result is 2. If okay, if we change it with greater than and equal and enter, here you can see answer is 3 because it is also okay, it is equal, so answer is 3. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, just post your comment in post your comments. And also if you need this working sheet, you can download this from our Telegram channel. Telegram link is mentioned in description box. And if you are new, please subscribe for further videos. Thank you. Dhanyawad.